Hello, my name is Julianne King. Welcome to my presentation. The topic I chose is the No Child Left Behind Act and its impact on English learners. The No Child Left Behind Act is a federal law that passed under George W. Bush in 2001 and was put into place to hold schools accountable to higher standards and to monitor and identify students who are English learners and provide them with effective English instruction. Each year, all students are given standardized testing that would measure state standards in all core subjects. And each student is required to meet these standards, which are given in English. Taking the test in English has proven to have a negative impact on our English learners. So what are English learners? They are students who primarily speak another language at home while learning to speak English at school. And there are now over 75% of American public schools have English learners enrolled in them. On this slide, we're going to look at some of the issues that surround the No Child Left Behind Act and its effects on our English learners. On this graph here, we can see that our schools are failing under this act, and we're going to talk about why that is and how it's affecting our English learners. A study found that English learners find it more difficult and take longer to become English proficient because they are not only learning the passive voice of English, but also the active voice. And the standardized tests are created for native English speakers, not English learners, so therefore the results should not be interpreted for our English learners. Schools with a high number of English learners have a lower baseline scores and yet are required to meet these annual goals, and if they're not reached, they are penalized. This requirement is extremely difficult for schools with many English learners. The policy due to the fact that English learners are a marginalized population, school leaders must implement policies and practices that ensure high quality, equitable, and inclusive educational experiences and some of the practices that would help our English learners are encouraging effective linguistic accommodations on these type of assessments. Standardized testing under the No Child Left Behind Act is failing our English learners due to the fact that standardized testing under No Child Left Behind guides decisions about individuals and organizations. Policy and practices should be put into place that ensures the success of all English learner students. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.